The Soul of Money by Lynne Twist. Working together leads to success and abundance. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. Money isn't everything when it comes to generating wealth. Skills, creativity, and other assets can often be more productive stimuli. However, joint effort can only come to fruition when people believe in cooperation and exchange. Environments where financial scarcity prevails tend to inhibit sharing. On the other hand, partnerships can create the ideal setup for inspiring sufficiency. Working together breeds a healthy perspective on money, demonstrating that cash isn't the only worthy contribution each person can offer. Everyone brings their creativity and insight to bear. An excellent example of this is Tracy's journey. She went from loneliness and money angst in the United States to fulfillment and abundance by sharing a home with a family overseas and then with another family back in California. Tracy's experience testifies to the value of shared gifts that stand in for money while transcending its rewards. Tracy's life took an unexpected turn when she traveled to Japan with her children during a difficult time. Her hosts, the Ohochi family, suggested combining households, and Tracy lived with them for over a year. In exchange for their hospitality, Tracy provided kitchen help, taught their children, and offered other services to support the family while they dealt with their loss. This arrangement proved successful and inspired Tracy to home share with another family, which has thrived for over a decade. Despite having meager resources, collaboration and sufficiency were the keys to Tracy's ability to give unhesitatingly. This philosophy is supported by nature, which shows that prosperity can be achieved through collaboration rather than competition. While many consider philanthropic organizations above reproach, problems like hypocrisy, waste, and mission drift can sabotage their success. Ethical collaboration remains essential for charities to fulfill their worthy objectives. People should appreciate partnership and cooperation compared to money, even though money is just one of many possible contributions. I hope you found the information about The Soul of Money by Lynne Twist. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.